SARL is an AI-powered platform, a government initiative developed under support of the ANRF, Anusandhan National Research Foundation, with the primary goal of democratizing research. Research papers with valuable insights are converted into simplified forms by converting them into engaging formats such as videos, presentations, and podcasts to reach more people, thereby creating a bridge between the scientific community and the public. Moreover, additionally, these contents can be converted into various Indian languages, thereby aiding meaningful knowledge dissemination, fostering further research, and creating public awareness. Our prestigious institution, SRM Institute of Science and Technology, has several impactful research publications and patents which have been converted through the SARL AI platform. Especially recently, some of the top papers have been selected and published, and they will be shared.
Welcome to this presentation on nonlinear pathway for remote metal-metal communication in heterobimetallic complexes enabled by mixed NHC ligands, influence of metal coordination modes. This research was conducted by Chandra Shekhar Tiwari et al. And published in 12 September 2025. Today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Multimetallic systems, inspired by metalloenzymes, are being developed to enhance electronic communication and cooperativity between metal centers. N-heterocyclic carbenes and HCS are versatile ligands for constructing such bimetallic complexes. While tandem catalysis has been explored, the broader potential in redox-responsive materials is underexplored. Two heterobimetallic complexes, 4 and 5, were synthesized using an unsymmetrical bis-triazolium ligand precursor 1 with phenyl spacer and differently acidic triazolium moieties. Sequential regioselective metallation was employed. The synthesis involved initial metallation with either RHIII or RUII to form monometallic complexes 2 and 3, respectively, followed by a second metallation with the other metal ion to yield the heterobimetallic complexes 4 and 5. Heterobimetallic complexes 4 and 5 were synthesized with high yields, exhibiting unusual binding modes. One metal orthomethylated with a normal NHC 100 and 24TZ NHC, and the other non-orthomethylated at the C4 position of an abnormal NHC 123TZ NHC. Despite a 9 metal-metal distance, efficient electronic communication was observed via CV, spectroelectrochemistry, and EPR studies. The synthetic strategy effectively utilized the differential acidity of the triazolium moieties to achieve regioselective metallation, leading to unique heterobimetallic complexes with non-conventional coordination modes. The orthometallation of one metal and coordination at the C4 position of the abnormal NHC for the second metal appears to be a key factor in facilitating electronic communication over a significant distance. This work successfully synthesized novel heterobimetallic complexes 4 and 5 that exhibit efficient nonlinear metal-to-metal electronic communication enabled by a flexible base triazolium ligand and unusual metal coordination modes. The key findings demonstrate that the specific binding sites and coordination geometries of metal ions significantly influence the electrochemical behavior and electronic properties of NHC-coordinated heterobimetallic complexes.